Welcome. In this session, we will explore how to compute the symmetric difference between two arrays after applying a transformation function to each element. Let's dive in. This function allows us to compute the symmetric difference with flexibility, using custom functions to process array elements before comparison. We use set to store transform values and filter to extract elements that do not have a corresponding match in the other array after transformation. This approach ensures that elements are compared based on transform values, while preserving their original form in the output. This function effectively captures elements that remain unique after transformation, making it useful for fuzzy comparisons like rounding. This technique is valuable when working with real-world data that need normalization before comparison, such as prices, dates, or object properties. With this approach, we can perform flexible comparisons, making it a powerful tool for working with transformed datasets. Thank you for following along and happy coding. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.